Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. This video is slightly different. It's not a proper video, if you will, a full video. There's one of those coming up very shortly. I'm just currently editing the restoration of an antique chair, which will be on the channel very soon. However, this one is basically from requests I'd got from other social media platforms where I've been putting photographs of my workshop extension build on there. A lot of people have asked me to put more photos on, just showing the progress and how it's gone on. So rather than just shoving a load of photographs on other social media, I thought I'd splice them all together with a few video clips just to show you how I got on with the workshop build. It's completed now. Just a few finishing touches inside, such as insulation, but I just thought I'd share some of these with you, some of these clips. Hopefully you'll enjoy it, and I don't expect this is going to be one of your favourite videos. It's a bit of a departure from the furniture restoration. It's only a short video, and like I say, it's just there to give people an idea of the work that went on in building this extension. So just hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. So this is the plan. This is my current workshop. It's a complete mess at the minute because I'm just in the middle of extending it, as you know. So it's not small, but it's not massive, and I've just got stuff everywhere and it really needs sorting out. So the plan is this window section, sort of all that section there, is going to be coming out but moving round that way, and I should go outside. So it's going to be an L shape really, and this is where it's going to be extended out into. So that window section will just be an opening, and all this will be the extension. The tricky bit is going to be doing the roof and trying to splice the roof in, which I'm not too sure what I'm doing at the minute, but we'll suss it. Typical Britain. hopefully on videos it should be really well lit now, so get ready. 1, 2, 3. So the only thing left to do on the inside is I am going to insulate all the walls and board them. But I'm going to do that to the entire workshop, so that'll be a future project. I've actually installed some electrics, and the only thing left to do outside is to paint it to match the rest of the workshop. If you've enjoyed it, I hope you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.